DigitalOcean has provided some insights to the impact of Hacktoberfest this year. Hacktoberfest is an annual event through the month of October designed to encourage new contributors to open source to make their first contributions. Quote, "We're thrilled that this year 146,891 people from 194 different countries registered for Hacktoberfest and completed a total of 335,000 contributions during the month of October." Hacktoberfest also states that in the 9 years that the campaign's been running, they have helped to merge 2.35 million accepted pull requests. Over the last few years, Hacktoberfest has been going through kind of a makeover, making the work for maintainers a little bit more manageable during the month-long event. This included adding opt-in controls such as making projects only eligible if they have the Hacktoberfest topic, or allowing maintainers to manually approve PRs by using the Hacktoberfest accepted label. DigitalOcean also shared that over 125,000 repositories opted in on GitHub for Hacktoberfest 2022, along with 800 more from GitLab. Python Community News participated in the event, interviewing Quincy earlier in September and making all of their projects open to Hacktoberfest contributions. Did you participate in Hacktoberfest? Were you a maintainer or a contributor? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to Python Community News for more weekly news.